Hi everyone. Today I've compiled a list of 10 UK-based guest post sites. You can publish guest posts on these UK-based sites for do follow backlinks. I have selected the sites list according to domain rating, domain authority, spam score, number of backlinks and age of the domain. These sites have 30 plus DR and low spam score. Your site can benefit a lot by getting backlinks from these sites. I have published guest posts on some of these sites. Let's check the sites one by one. The first site is shemightbe.co.uk. Let's check the site's DR. The site's domain rating is 36. The site's DA is 37, PA 45, spam score 1. Let's check the next site. The next site is mummypages.co.uk. The site's DR is 50. The site's DA is 48, PA 50, spam score 1. Let's check the next site. The next site is idealmagazine.co.uk. The site's DR is 48. The site's DA is 43, PA 46, spam score 2. Let's check the fourth site, that is don'tcramplemystyle.co.uk. The site's DR is 33. The site's DA is 31, PA 43, spam score 6. Let's check the fifth site. The fifth site is the upcoming.co.uk. The domain rating is 72. It's a very good site. The site's DA is 64, PA 55, spam score is 5. The next site is manchestermummy.com. The site's DR is 32. The site's DA is 68, PA 38, spam score 1. Let's check the next site. The next site is womanlikethat.co.uk. The site's DR is 30. The site's DA is 59, PA 44, spam score is 0. The next site is deadlinenews.co.uk. The site's DR is 68. The site's DA is 76, PA 54, spam score 3. The next site is yourcoffeebreak.co.uk. The site's DR is 51. The site's DA is 42, PA 44, spam score 16. Let's check the last site. The last site is ryanwestbury.co.uk. The site's DR is 35. The site's DA is 30, PA 49, spam score is 2. So these are the 10 websites where you can guest post. If you want us to build backlinks through guest posts on any of these sites or any other niche, then please let us know. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.